In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import last year's return into TurboTax. If you want to save time and make your current tax filing process easier, importing information from last year's return is a great place to start. It can help carry over important details and reduce the amount of manual entry you need to do. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. To begin, log into your TurboTax account and open your current tax return. Make sure you're in the return you want to work on before moving ahead, since the import will be added to that active file. Once you're inside your return, look to the left sidebar and click Tax Tools. This section contains several helpful options related to managing your return, so if you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the menu carefully. After that, select Tools. This will open the Tool Center, where you'll find additional actions you can take for your return, including the option to bring in information from a prior year. In the Tools Center, click the option that says Transfer last year's TurboTax return from your computer. This tells TurboTax that you want to import a return file you already have saved locally, rather than entering everything manually. Next, click Browse. A file selection window will open, allowing you to search your computer for the previous year's TurboTax tax file. Take your time here and make sure you choose the correct file for the correct tax year, since selecting the wrong one could transfer inaccurate information. Once you've found the file, select it and click Open. That confirms your choice and sends the file to TurboTax for import. Now, wait while TurboTax imports your previous year's return. Depending on your internet connection and file size, this may take a few moments. It's best to let the process finish without closing the window or navigating away. When the import is complete, review the transferred information carefully to make sure everything came over correctly. This is an important step because even though the transfer is automated, you still want to confirm that key details are accurate and complete before continuing. If everything looks good, click Continue to proceed with your current tax return. From there, you can keep working through the rest of your filing with your imported information already in place. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you import last year's return into TurboTax quickly and smoothly.